Video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome session restore not working, step by step, fully updated for 2026. If Chrome doesn't reopen your previous tabs after a crash or restart, yeah, that can be frustrating. Let's fix it properly. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings. From the left menu, click on Startup. Here, make sure Continue where you left off is selected. This option allows Chrome to restore your previous session automatically. If it's set to open the new tab page, Chrome won't restore tabs at all. Next, check if Chrome is actually closing correctly. If you force close Chrome or your system shuts down unexpectedly, session data may not save. Always close Chrome normally when possible. Now, let's check browsing data. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Select Advanced, and make sure you do not clear browsing history if you want Session Restore to work. Clearing history can remove saved session data. If Session Restore still doesn't work, open Chrome's built-in task manager by pressing Shift plus SC. Check for any Chrome processes crashing repeatedly. Extensions often cause this. So next, go to Chrome://extensions and temporarily disable all extensions. Restart Chrome and test Session Restore. If it works, enable extensions one by one to find the problematic one. Another important step is Profile Sync. Click your profile icon and make sure sync is turned on. Session data relies on proper profile and sync settings. If nothing works, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, then Reset and Clean Up, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This won't delete bookmarks or passwords, but can fix broken session behavior. Finally, update Chrome. Go to Chrome://settings/help and install any available updates. Bugs related to Session Restore are often fixed in newer versions, and that's it. By checking startup settings, browsing data, extensions, sync, and updates, you can fix Google Chrome Session Restore issues easily. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.